Hey, these are rare.
I'll remember that name.
Wait.
Huh? What is it, eh?
Monster! Do you think the girl is fine?
Unclear. I'd say for now you should probably worry about yourself.
Ha! This is great. Gimme. Let me have a bash at this fella.
Don't get too heated up, Matthew. This is the time for a synergy move.
Oh, yeah, good shout. You better follow my lead, though.
Huh. Not if I can help it.
What can I say? I'm a natural.
That's it. Well done.
What can I say? I'm a natural.
That's it. Well done. Boom. Hardly. That there was what you'd call gratuitous. The poor thing was within a century of its life.
This old chestnut. I was quick. We won't get rumbled.
You're aware we took out 2 Mobius yesterday. We could well be the targets of a manhunt as we speak.
Then we knock 'em down some more.
There's no guarantee that you'll keep winning.
Nah, but we will.
Think back on what you know. Not all Mobius are like those 2.
What's up?
No, nothing.
Huh?
Do you have something to get off your chest? You don't have to hold your tongue. We were the ones who extricated you. You may hold us fully accountable.
Huh? These gloves? You want them?
No, not what I meant. That art. What was it?
Witch art. Oh! You mean the Ouroboros power? Is that it?
Ouroboros.
First time you've seen it. Nothing weird about being curious.
It was just, wow.
But hold on a mo. You've got blades and arts too. Pretty much the same thing.
Not me. I can't.
Can't what?
He means he can't summon a blade. Surely you must have realized given the way he's been fighting. I hear it can be an issue with some soldiers.
Still, you know. All part of life's rich tapestry. No big deal, am I right?
I couldn't take them. With these. Not like you did. No way.
I don't follow.
He's talking about us defeating the Mobius.
Oh. Now I get it. Think you got it all wrong, though.
What?
You have it now. Inside you both. This power. Remember? Back when I freed you with a burst of light. Anyone who gets touched by that light inherits the Ouroboros power. That's the way we got it too.
What, really?
Uh-huh. With a little work, I'll be able to draw out its true power. And then, in theory, I'll be able to free others without even having to destroy their flame clocks. Well, anyway, the rest's all up to you. It's easy. You'll get the hang of it in no time. Thing about Ouroboros power is, it was created so we could smash up Mobius cores.
And those are what?
They're shiny chest Watsits. You destroy one, and it takes him clean out. See, my granddad's Pops, he used that power soon as it came to be. And made it so that us city folk would hand it down through the generations.
Granddads? And what's her Pops?
Oh, sorry. Long story short, all this business went down about 70 years ago, or thereabouts.
Right.
Hey, Nicole. I'm gonna be frank with you here. Don't think yourself a burden because you ain't one. We've all got our strengths and weaknesses. No big deal. Yeah?
Wow, that's cost us a ton of time.
Let's hurry on, Matthew. With each passing minute, she's getting further away from us.
I know that. Which way were we?
Northwest.
Ah, yes, northwest. Just along this path then, yeah?
I believe so.
This is the place. I can't say I'm not intrigued.
The bigger they are, the harder I hit.
Our victory is far from certain.
You're too good at it! Blitz punch! Break! Gotcha! That's what eyes on me!
The coast is clear once more.
Proof of our victories.
I'll remember that name.